going to cover three major limitations for generative AI. The first one is source identification. So, as generative AI, as most of you will be aware, generative AI has been trained using millions of data sets. So, if you take, for example, ChatGPT, it's trained using 550 gigabytes of data, which is equivalent to 300 billion words. So, these words are derived from various textbooks, journals, websites, as well as journals. So, because it's been trained using 550 gigabytes of data, or even with billions of data sources, it is really hard for the content that is generated by generative AI to identify the right source. So, due to this problem, we have second limitation, which is bias. So, let's say your data source contains bias in the data source. So, when you train this biased data, it will help you to amplify the generated content, which will lead you to discriminatory information as well as unfair content. So, this leads to the third limitation, which is accountability. So, when your data is being trained from billions of data sources, or or has some bias, who is going to take accountability or responsibility in your department? So, who is accountable for the data that's generated by AI? Is it the AI accountable, or is it the human who is accountable for the causes? So these are the three limitations that I want to cover in this